Hello, Carsten. Nice to see you again. What did you bring us today?
Hi, Loretta. Thanks for having me. Today, I would like to talk with you or inform our audience how we are helping our customers combining the benefits of edge and cloud computing. Is that okay?
It sounds exciting. So what are those
Good.
advantages?
Advantages of cloud and edge. Well, speaking of a cloud, I would say that every organization today has something in the cloud. Either you have applications which are cloud-based, data which are cloud-based. You use cloud-based software as a service. You keep your backups. You outsource peak loads. In any case, you would increase your flexibility in getting managed your IT workload. And nowadays, well, the requirements are growing, and new ones are coming up. If you want to connect machinery to the cloud, for example, or if you have high video surveillance data, whatever. With such kind of high data volumes and simultaneously required fast response times, even if you want to control machines, maybe, you have to manage your data workload more professionally and most likely also on the edge or at the edge. So, for example, my computer capacity is predictively large that I need. The data volume I process is predictively large. I have to analyze the data very fast. I need a stable network connection. I cannot afford the internet going down, which is very basic, I have to say. So even if you may have confidentiality on your data, including personal data that has some subject or is some subject to national data protection regulations, all that you can better manage as close as possible to the point of data origination.
Mm-hmm. So means at the edge, right?
Yes, at the edge, exactly. So whenever such computing hotspots, I would call them, occur, our customers consider edge computing or edge solutions as well. And in that context, also in the context of a total cost of ownership analysis, this will often be much more economic as well, because the advantage of the cloud computing that you pay for use goes away, because you have to upload so many data into the cloud that your pay for use is not economic any longer. You better process your data close to the origin. And that's when lots of things are going on in customers' minds. I'd like to share that quickly. So there is a lot of questions that occur with customers. So for example, how do I create a perfect IT infrastructure that makes best use of both parties, cloud and edge computing? And in the first instance, customers decide which applications to place into the cloud and which ones should better go to the edge for such kind of reasons that I just mentioned. And in the second step, they look at their IT concept and then they relate it to their IT infrastructure. Is their data network compliant with the applications, with the performance needs? What of the existing can be reused? What needs to be invested? How to finance? And also whether they want to put edge computing infrastructure in place or rent some cloud applications. And thirdly, state-of-the-art installation comes into play, maintenance and repair. How do I do that if I don't want to invest into my own resources? So being concerned about cost and resources. And this is where Datwyler has created some name for itself in the edge computing world, meanwhile.
I see. And what does Datwyler offer on the topic edge and cloud in addition?
Yeah, that's a good point. on that subject, it's basically, you can summarize it as cloud consulting and cloud integration as well. Because edge and cloud, in my opinion, and to our opinion, are not separate worlds, but should be integrated or combined to make best use of both sides in the most possible way. We bring partners for cloud consulting and cloud integration in addition to our edge computing solutions. And this will help customers who want that not only to build their own data centers, like micro data centers and that kind of stuff that Datwyler is offering, but also implement the cloud part together with partners. And some of our customers want to retain their data in their national space because of the data privacy regulations. So that can be done with one of our partners, Ventus Cloud, for example, with their data centers in Switzerland, Austria, and Germany. And together with Ventus and Boston, we have founded the Cloud Alliance, cloudalliance.io, which is dealing with such issues. And anyone who is interested in edge cloud combination can turn there, obviously also to Datwyler, but can turn also to the Cloud Alliance so that we can offer our customers a holistic overall approach. It's pretty much technology independent, taking the benefits of the cloud and the edge on both sides. Yeah, that's basically what I wanted to share.
Great. Thank you very much for sharing these insights, Carsten.
Thank you, Loretta, and all to the audience out there being concerned about these issues. Have fun with your projects and good success.